Police investigating double murder in Westmoreland. Fatal bus crash in St. Elizabeth. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Major Investigation Division is probing the fatal shooting of two brothers at their home in Bath District in Westmoreland on Tuesday night. Dead are 34-year-old Leon Glaze and 31-year-old Cyril Glaze. A third brother was shot and injured during the deadly attack. This is the second of such incidents in the parish in a month. Reports are that about 10:30 p.m., a lone gunman invaded the men's home and opened fire on the occupants. After the shooting subsided, the three brothers were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were transported to hospital, where Leon and Cyril were pronounced dead. The other brother was admitted. His condition is considered serious but stable. The driver of a Toyota Ice bus was killed and several passengers injured following a crash on the Front Hill Main Road in St. Elizabeth early Thursday morning. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police Superintendent Coleridge Minto stated that the driver lost control of the vehicle. He also stated that the vehicle was traveling easterly towards Black River when it overturned. He stated that persons were removed from the vehicle with the assistance of the Jamaica Fire Brigade and passers-by. Minto is appealing to motorists to exercise caution along the Front Hill Main Road, which he states has been the scene of several serious crashes.